Thank you for tuning in to another JMD Janitorial tutorial. In today's video, we're going to cover cafeteria and break room cleaning. So the first cleaning product that we're going to start off with is a HDQ. It's by Spartan and is a one-step disinfectant. Secondly, we have the damp mop, and this is going to be used for the floors. One thing that I wanted to cover, which is very important, on all of our spray bottles, we have what is known as the SDS sheets. And the SDS sheets is very important. It is a label that identifies the solution, the dilution rate, and what is the contents, or what are the contents inside of these spray bottles. Another product by Spartan, it is a stainless steel cleaner and polisher. Okay, we also have our microfiber cloths, and it is a color-coded system that we use. This helps prevent cross-contamination. So we have the yellow rags that can, for example, be used on the countertops inside the sink. We have the red rags that can be used for the tabletops and the chairs. And then we have the blue rag, which can be used for the microwave. So we're going to use the disinfectant. We're going to spray the tables and the countertops. And depending on what disinfectant or cleaning product that you use, they have what is known as a sit time. So if it's a disinfectant, you want to give it time to sit, kill the germs. So without further delay, let's go. When you get up to a counter like this, you may find that their staff, they leave utensils and plates. They leave cups that have condiments inside of them. Me personally, I wouldn't spray up there. I would spray directly into my rag, and then I will wipe it down from there. I'll spray my rag, and then typically it'll leave a slight film of solution on there, and then I use that as a sit time. So in this case, we're going to lift up the tray, and we're going to wipe. Turn the rag over. This is a paper towel dispenser, so I'm going to wipe the paper towel dispenser. This is a soap dispenser, so I'll wipe the soap dispenser. Turn the rag over, give it a good spray, then I'm going to wipe the rest of the counter. Remembering to wipe the high touch areas. So here is going to be the faucet handle. And we're going to give it a good wipe. And you want to wipe inside of the sink. Then I'm going to flip my rag like this. And then once again, I'll spray here. I'm going to lift up this tray. Then I'll wipe. Here, the microwave would be disinfectant. You want to wipe the handle. Later on in the video, I'll go inside. I'll wipe the inside of the handle, and I normally wipe again the high touch areas with the disinfectant. Once again, wipe the counters, the cabinet doors, flip my rag again, and then once again I'm going to hit the handle of the refrigerator. Okay, now that I've wiped down that area, now we're going to move forward to the tables. We're going to use our yellow rag. It's still wet. Wiping down the tables, I always start from the top and work back towards myself. So before we do the chairs, we're going to do all the tables first. my lobby broom and my dustpan, and we're going to go and just hit the corners. And you know how at cafeterias you want to get underneath the tables and just sweep up any crumbs or any food that may have fell on the floor prior to mopping. And we have our caution wet sign. I'm going to place the caution wet sign here, and I've placed the caution wet sign at the entrance to the cafeteria door. We have our damp mop. Spray around the floor. To the best of your ability, prevent people from walking into your workspace. So I'm going to grab my flat mop pad, and then I'll mop the floor. When we're speaking about mopping, where do we begin? Do you start in the middle of the room? Do you start in the front of the room? No, you want to start with the furthest point of the room and then work your way out the door. Just to recap this video, we did some wiping of the counter using a disinfectant. We wiped the sink, all of the aesthetics in the room. We wiped down the refrigerator. We wiped down the microwaves. We wiped down the tables. We wiped down the chairs. And we even did a damp mop. So if you haven't done so already, now will be a good time for you to subscribe, hit the like button, share, or even post a comment or two. Thank you for tuning in to another JMD Janitorial tutorial. I hope this video helps you. If you're an aspiring janitorial company, if you're just starting out, obviously you want to have commercially trained experience.